Hi everyone, welcome back. It's Smita and today I'm going to be showing you how to apply eyeliner on sensitive or watery eyes or if you have oily lids and how to make it long lasting. So if you're ready, let's begin. Always start with washing your face really well before you apply any makeup. For the lids, I like to use a mild cleanser and my favorite is the micellar cleansing water. I just use it with a Q-tip and go all over my lids. As we all know, our body naturally produces oil, so there's going to be oil on the face. If you don't clean it, then your eyeliner or the makeup is going to smudge. Avoid using moisturizers around the lid. Instead, use a fast-drying eye cream. My favorite one is the Silk Peony by Tatcha. Because moisturizers are slippery, it's very easy for your eyeliner to smear and smudge. The next step is to use a primer. I'm going to be using the P. Louise base. This is in the shade Rumor 2. You can also use a fast-drying concealer or any eyeshadow primer. Using a good quality primer before eye makeup will keep your eye makeup in check, and because you're starting with a clean canvas, your eyeliner is going to look neat throughout the day. I also like to mattify this with a little bit of powder, and the one that I'm using is Airspun, and that'll also keep the eyeliner from smudging. If you want your eyeliner to last the whole day long, try to use a water-resistant eyeliner. The one that I'll be using is from Wet n Wild. Water-resistant eyeliners are long-lasting, meaning they'll take you from day to night without a smudge. And try avoiding applying eyeliner to the very inner corner because that's where your eyes water and can be extremely sensitive. Layering your eyeliner will make sure that it stays on longer and remains dark throughout the day. This is the most important step. Once your eyeliner is dry, take a little bit of translucent powder with a brush and go over your eyeliner to seal the deal. Let's test this with a little bit of water. I'm just going to pour it on my lids and I'm going to try to smudge it. And as you can see on the white Q-tip, there's a little bit of primer visible, but there's no black smudge. And that's how you make the eyeliner smudge-proof and long-lasting, even if you have sensitive, watery eyes. So now if it is that smudge-proof, how do you take it off? This is what I personally like to do. I take a little bit of vitamin E oil and I start massaging my lid with it. And while I do this, I keep wiping it off with a cotton pad. As you can see, the eyeliner is still put. It's pretty strong. So I'm going to put another drop or two of the oil and continue to massage it. And once most of it has come off, I use a mild cleanser to wash my face. That's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comments if you want to watch more videos like these. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and please consider subscribing if you're new here. I post several videos a week. For your convenience, I'm listing all the products that I used in the description box right below this video. And you'll also find links to my social media there. I love you guys so much and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.